This tutorial video is about the best YouTube ad skipper in Chrome extension. So the best YouTube ad auto skipper is this one. Like search for this and this is the best YouTube ad auto skipper you will get. Look, 90,000 users. So let's check how this ad skipper works. Let's open a random video.
পেপসোডেন্ট জার্মি চেকের 190 গ্রাম প্যাকের সাথে একটি টুথব্রাশ ফ্রি।
Look how it skips. Like you don't have to click the skip ad button. It will be skipped automatically, but you'll have to watch that 5-second video. It's worth it, so give it a try, and I will put the link of the ad skipper in the description below. Thanks for watching.